Hi everyone, preparing for the English literature or language exam, and you want to move from a grade 5, grade 6 to grade 7 and above, then this video is for you. Examiners don't just mark your ideas, they also mark your vocabularies. They mark the way you express yourself. That is why in today's video, we'll be looking at how we can upgrade our simple vocabularies to sophisticated ones. What we are supposed to write so that we can move to a higher grade and improve whatever write-up or ideas that we write. The first word, important. Instead of important, we could say substantial. Substantial. We could say significant or meaningful. So instead of important, we could use significant, we could use substantial, and we could also use meaningful. We could substitute good for commendable, admirable, virtuous. Instead of bad, we could say detrimental. Yeah, we could say detrimental. We could say corrupt. We could say immoral. Instead of make, we could say create. We could say fabricate. We could say produce. Instead of shows, we could say reviews, highlight, demonstrate. We could use those words: highlight, reviews, demonstrate, suggest. Instead of see, you could say observe or perceive. Instead of strong, we could say intense, resilience, dominate. That could replace strong. Instead of want, we could say aspire, yearn for, desire. Aspire, yearn for, and desire. It could replace want. Crucial, the crucial matter. We could say crucial, we could say pivotal, or we could say defining. So crucial, pivotal, defining could replace very important. A quick exam tip: only use sophisticated vocabularies when it fits your sentence. Remember that accuracy is more important than fancy words.